Breaking news on Father Carlos Martins. He has been cleared of all charges. I'm going to read for you the press release that he posted to his Facebook page going over the details, but the bottom line is he has been cleared. God is so very good. I personally texted him. He's been a friend of mine for years, congratulating him on this very good news. Before I dive into the press release, I want to let you know that I'm going to give out 3 copies of Father Carlos Martins' book, The Exorcist Files, to 3 of our channel members. So very grateful to our channel members. Thank you very much for your support. So if you're a channel member and you would like a copy, potentially, leave a comment below. Let me know you want the book. I'll pull 3 names, random, from our channel members and get your address and mail you a copy. I probably will send you a couple of books, to be honest with you. This book and maybe another book. But if you'd like to be a channel member, I'll leave information in the description as well. Make sure to smash that thumbs up on your way down. All right, so let's go over this press release published just a little bit ago from Father Carlos Martins, coming out of Joliet on this day, July 30th, 2025. It says, Father Carlos Martins, Catholic priest, popular evangelist, and best-selling author, is fully cleared of all charges stemming from a relic exposition held on November the 21st, 2024 at Queen of Apostles Parish in Joliet, Illinois. On July 30th, 2025, the Will County State's Attorney's Office dismissed the criminal charges it filed against Father Martins and confirmed the case against him is closed. The court order is available at that following link. And I'll link to this down below in the description. It goes on. The allegations stemmed from a misunderstanding during the public event in a crowded church where Father Martins, while engaging with a group of students and adults, made a humorous comment comparing his baldness to a student's long hair. The exchange took place in the presence of many witnesses, including clergy, educators, volunteers, and other students. The incident was initially mischaracterized and distorted by multiple news. Father Martins, who consistently maintained his innocence, temporarily paused his dynamic ministry and Vatican-sponsored nationwide tour as a result of the false allegations and their public distortion. The tour featured the major relics of St. Jude. Quote, I am deeply grateful to all who offered their prayers and support during this time, said Father Martins, going on to say, I am thankful for the truth coming to light and look forward to resuming my ministry and continuing to preach the gospel, close quote. It goes on, the Will County's State Attorney's Office, the same entity that charged him with the crime, withdrew those charges and dismissed the case on its own motion without any finding of any wrongdoing or criminal liability on the part of Father Martins. This is exactly the result we were expecting. What he was charged with was simply absurd. This was a case that never should have been brought forward. The court's ruling is a full vindication of Father Martins' innocence from the beginning of any and all criminal wrongdoing, close quote, said defense attorney Marcella Burke, chairman of Burke Law Group. It goes on, since the beginning, we had maintained that Father Martins had been completely innocent of all wrongdoing. His character and vocation were wrongly called into question. We're grateful the justice system corrected this mistake, said defense attorney Patrick Keenely of Burke Law Group. I'd also like to point out from my X feed that Christy Niles reported on this over on her stellamaris.media website. I'll link to it below, where she contacted Father Martins' superior and asked whether or not he would be returning to ministry. And so far, there's been no response to that question. So, and as I said, I personally reached out to Father Carlos Martins to congratulate him. And of course, we'll get him on if he's willing to talk publicly. When he's willing to talk publicly, we will, of course, have him on the show. So this is good news indeed. Praise be to God. And as I said, I'm going to be giving away 3 copies of his book, The Exorcist Files, to our channel members. So if you are a channel member, can I just say thank you for being on the team? I really, really appreciate your support. leave a comment below. Let me know you're interested. I'll wait 24 hours to pull 3 names out of the hat. I'll reach out to you. I'll get your address, and we will mail you a copy of this book. I'll include another book I have on Pope Leo as well. So some care packages might be headed your way. If you want more information about how to become a channel member, the link is below in the description. Thanks for being on the team. May God richly bless you. Did you like that video? It's okay. You can admit it. It's perfectly fine. Hey, we cover the big stories of our day, from inside the church to outside the church to all points in between, and we do it from a Catholic perspective. It's called A Catholic Take. It's a radio program Monday through Friday. We live stream it right here on this channel, by the way, so make sure to subscribe, like, and share. We would be very grateful to you. And don't forget, you're going to want to watch this video right here because you don't want to miss anything.